Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will learn how to pronounce the word chipping. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. He was chipping away at the ice on his windshield with a small metal scraper. Chipping refers to breaking off small pieces or fragments from a larger object by using a tool, typically to shape or smooth the surface of the object. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.